people overcome difficult circumstances and excel while others don't? What makes people successful? In this course, you will be able to answer these questions and more about what it takes to have grit by discovering what psychologist Angela Duckworth's research has learned about high achievers in her book Grit, The Power of Passion and Perseverance. You will learn about her research-based explanation on her grit theory, how to develop grit internally and externally, and how passion and perseverance relates to being a higher achiever in developing grit. This class is for parents, teachers, coaches, and others who want to learn practical strategies to foster grit for students, children, adults, and themselves. By the end of this course, you will have summarized the grit theory and determined your own grit score, evaluated the top-level goal that guides your life, developed an implementation plan for grit strategies, and developed a lesson plan to teach others about grit theory.